Should I stop? Oh, ooh, look. Ooh, I got the best view for the freeway. I was there. Oh, let me stop. Yeah. Oh, let me bounce out. Got the best view. Ooh, live where you at? Hey, going to the gate. You see I'm on the freeway, nigga. Yeah. I'm right here with it. Go get him. Go. March up in here and get him. Niggas ain't, yeah, man. Another day, another dollar, baby. He knocking on the door. He knocking on the door.
Cussing out a police helicopter is hilarious.
They talking to me? You talking to me?
Yeah, that's me. I'm gonna get hit by a car. Get in your car and get on the freeway.
Fuck you, bitch.